Today, we're counting down the top 50 motorcycles available in Russia, ranked from the lowest priced bike to the highest priced motorcycle on the market. Let's get started. 50. Bajaj Boxer 150, $2,000. 49. Racer RC 150, $2,110. 48. Motoland XR 125, $2,220. 47. Regal Moto Sport 150, $2,330. 46. KOTT 125, $2,440. 45. Racer RC 200, $2,550. 44. Motoland XL 250, $2,660. 43. Bajaj Pulsar N160, $2,770. 42. Regal Moto ZF 250, $2,880. 41. KOK1 250, $3,000. 40. Racer RC 250, $3,110. 39. Motoland XF 300, $3,330. 38. Vogue 300 AC, $3,550. 37. Bajaj Dominar 400, $3,770. 36. Vogue DS 300, $4,000. 35. KOK6R, $4,220. 34. CFMOTO 300NK, $4,440. 33. Zontes 350R, $4,770. 32. Vogue 500DS, $5,110. 31. CFMOTO 450NK, $5,550. 30. Royal Enfield Hunter 350, $6,000. 29. Royal Enfield Classic 350, $6,440. 28. Benelli Leoncino 500, $6,880. 27. CFMOTO 650MT, $7,330. 26. Honda CB500X, $7,770. 25. Kawasaki Ninja 400, $8,330. 24. Yamaha MT-07, $8,880. 23. Suzuki SV650, $9,440. 22. Triumph Speed 400, $10,000. 21. Kawasaki Versys 650, $10,550. 20. Honda Transalp 750, $11,660. 19. Yamaha Tenere 700, $12,770. 18. Triumph Trident 660, $13,880. 17. Suzuki V-Strom 800DE, $15,000. 16. Honda Africa Twin, $16,660. 15. BMW F900 GS, $18,880. 14. Ducati Monster, $21,110. 13. BMW R1250 GS, $23,330. 12. Ducati Desert X, $25,550. 11. Harley-Davidson Sportster S, $27,770. 10. BMW S1000 XR, $31,110. 9. Ducati Multistrada V4, $34,440. 8. BMW M1000R, $38,880. 7. Harley-Davidson Road Glide, $44,440. 6. Ducati Panigale V4S, $50,000. 5. BMW M1000RR, $55,550. 4. Honda Goldwing Tour, $61,110. 3. Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide, $72,220. 2. Indian Roadmaster Elite, $83,330. Number 1. Honda Goldwing 50th Anniversary Edition, $88,880. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle rankings from around the world.